Welcome back, BMF Speed Shop. So thought I'd show you guys the rest of the home built lineup we have. Since the home built jackstand video did so well with these ones, I also built a set tall ones. They're at their lowest height, and then they have this set up to adjust height. And then I have a set of small ones, which I also built. And then I have this engine stand, which is kind of show you. I built these ones for mostly, I use these for when I put the Chevette all the way up in the air. I put that right underneath the steel bumper in the back, and it holds the car up. And then these ones in the front under the subframe, or cross member, whatever it's called. Works pretty nice for servicing that car. And then I built this gantry crane, I guess you would call it, which I built it so that you could take it all apart and then like take it to the junkyard or whatever, wherever you were working, and then assemble it. So the bottom, the bases unbolt, and then the top unbolts, and it's all built out of C-channel and then 1/4-inch wall tubing. And it works pretty slick. For Subarus and stuff, it's a little bit short. If I could redo it, I would probably make it just a little bit taller and maybe a little bit wider and add like angle braces in there, which I might do. Do another one. This was kind of just to see if I could do it. It was an idea that I had. So yeah, everything works pretty well though. This is what happens, you know, you don't have a lot of money, you want to just work on your stuff. I don't know what the weight ratings are, you know, but I use all this stuff and never had a problem. So just thought I'd show you guys the rest of the lineup. Thanks for watching.